Hello, it's James from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video, I'd like to share the work that we finished in the Suzuki Kizashi, and this one, Suzuki Kizashi 2012. It should be the MY13 model anyway, because it's made late in 2012, and this car comes with the standard factory Garmin head unit screen before. And it comes with the factory reverse camera. Now everything already been replaced and upgraded. We already get the new 9-inch touchscreen premium package, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which you see wireless Android Auto here on the screen. And also at the same time we actually upgrade the factory reverse camera at the same factory location, but it actually looks so much better, and actually it works much better. The camera stay in the same location and it stay on the same factory base, and it is there lock in like the factory camera, but it works so much better. Now what we have here is when we reverse, we readjust the camera at the back end, that it will have to see the bumper down at the bottom of the screen, because of the location of the factory camera is far on the right side. So basically it will make the look a little bit very unique like this way, but it is wide angle and super clear in detail, and it have to see much better than the factory camera. You can see that it is so bright right now from our workshops, front door here, which is really bright, but at this moment the camera can see through and make it very detailed, and you can see the thing behind very well on the workshop floor. And when you reverse from reverse to the driving or parking, it will come back to the front like this. And the steering wheel controls, or those one working very well. Yeah, there's some reason that those buttons never been used, so we were told never been used before, and yeah, those one don't send the signal through, but those buttons, they all work very nice. And we already assigned for phone call answer, and similar function of volume and changing track music. Now we have two USB ports that we nicely fit inside the glove box and tightly over there. Yep, everything is working very nice. And if you turn on the headlight, it will turn on the night driving mode, and it turns screen down below. Okay, so that's all about 9-inch setup, directly system built for a Kizashi, and it's all good, all done already. So if you like this one, please feel free to click the subscribe button. We love that, and we love to bring more and more video to you. And then have a nice weekend, and we'll see you then.